All right, guys, wanted to show you what I was working on today. It was actually, this is a C10 that I've been working on. That's actually a shop truck. Just got through LS swapping it. So I'd installed this tank from Tanks Inc. on it, and kind of want to show you what I did for the rollover valve. I took it and I actually drilled out, just took a little spot on the cross member here and drilled it out. Installed the valve. You just kind of run it from the bottom, tighten it up in there. I went over to a piece of the same hose that I used for the fuel line. Just cut me a piece of it, ran it across, just ran it straight down. Kind of show you what. Basically just run it through there, snake it through there, and pop it on the bottom of the valve. The valve's kind of set up to where it's got like a ball valve inside of it. So if for some reason the truck was to roll over, the valve shuts off so no fuel or anything leaks out. But what it does is basically it vents the tank. So that way on the hot days when you try to open the tank, you don't have that shh, because it's actually not good for the, I guess something about the fuel heats up and then it cools down or whatever, and that causes the pressure in the tank. But anyway, that valve releases all of that. Just wanted to show you kind of what I did with it.